popcorn is you add oil onto a frying pan, and then when the oil is hot, you add your popcorn corn, you add your popcorn seeds on the oil, and then after you stir, after some time you cover it, then it pops. Then when you're done, you bring it down and then add the food colors or your flavor or anything. You add it on it. Some people add it in their own food. The name of my company is Kepas.
And the purpose of this thing is that we teach preparation, packaging, and marketing of food items. She prepare, she package, and we are marketing it. How much is this?
It's 300.
300. This man decides to make food. This is what we call main meal. It's not a snack, isn't it? So if somebody is hungry, want to eat lunch, the food is ready. Food is ready.
I made it after doing the dough fine.
Okay. The complete plate costs how much?
How much is each?
And once.
How much is each?
For each. For every one of the piece.
How much are you saying?
100 naira per piece.
But two is 150.
Okay, 2 150.
The more you buy,
The more you buy, the more the discount.
So this is what we call chop one.
Get more. That's good. Flavor and citrus. Okay, chocolate. Okay.
And the meat pie is 400.
Okay, meat pie for 400. The chin chin.
And the chicken is 300.
Wow, that's good.
Can you see the chin chin?
Wow, that's nice. So lovely. Good.
How much is the meat pie?
400. One is 400 naira.
One is 400.
Yes.
So the chin chin is not packaged. Rich packaging.
Yes.
Actually called fluffy meat in English language. It is made by boiling, pounding, and then frying the meat for it to come out like this. Each pack is 300 naira.
Each pack is
300 naira.
Each meat and then flour.
okay.
And each is 100.
That's good.
It's made out of sweet potatoes, dried one, and it's made of unicorn, and that is the grind one. And the potatoes yes, you blend them, the blenders, the ones you blend, then you find the rubber, mix them, then put them back in the fire, then add cool water.
My name is Angela Oriolo. I studied in Concordia College, and today I prepared a cake. I made chin chin and then fruit juice. This is my cake. I made it myself. Beautiful. I decorated it myself also.
Beautiful.
And you make a cake by using eggs, flour, sugar, baking powder,
Yes.
milk, but it's not necessary if you can afford it. So I made mine using condensed milk because I want it to be rich in taste and quality. And then this is my fruit juice. I made it using mango, berries, pineapple, and also banana. This is my chin chin. I made it using flour, butter, sugar, eggs, salt, baking powder. When I molded it, I rolled it, I cut it into the desired shape, and I fried it.
You make this masa. First, you look for this rice, the one that they are putting pap with it, and you now soak it in what we call like 1 hour or 30 minutes. And then after like 1 hour 30 minutes, you now bring the water and take it for either you grind it or you grind it. If you come back, you now add your sugar, your salt, your yeast, and your flour, and then you now stir it very well.